Hello students, in previous class we have gone through the range related concept of the inverse trigonometrical function. Today I am moving further, proceeding further, and we will discuss regarding the properties of inverse trigonometrical function. Here is the first one. This is sine inverse of sine x is equal to x, cos inverse of cos x is equal to x, and tan inverse tan x is equal to x. How we can prove it? There is a way to prove it. Proof. This is the proof. Proof is let sin x is equal to y. X is equal to sine inverse y. Therefore, sine inverse of sine x is equal to, this is x. So this is the way we can go with the, similarly with the other concept, same way we can go with the cosec inverse cos x is also equal to x. Sec inverse sec x is equal to also x, and cot inverse cot x is equal to also x. So these are the concepts and we can prove like this. Now further I am proceeding with the second one. Second is, this is cosec inverse x is equal to sine inverse 1 by x, and x should must be, here x should must be greater than 1 and x should be less than equal to minus 1. But how we can prove it? Proof. Here is the proof. The proof is let sine inverse x is 1 by x is equal to t. This is sine in t is equal to 1 by x. This implies sine x is equal to 1 upon sine t, and this is x is equal to cosec t. Therefore cosec inverse, therefore t is equal to cosec inverse x. So in this way we can prove like this. So these are the results. Same way we suppose we want to write down sec inverse x, it can be written down cos inverse of 1 by x. So second result is like this one, like this is sec inverse of x is equal to cos inverse of 1 by x. Here also x should be greater than equal to 1 and x should be less than minus 1. How we can prove it? Sec inverse, this is sec inverse x, we can write like this, is equal to t. X is equal to sec t, this implies, and this is 1 by cos t, we can write like this because sec is the reciprocal of the cos, and this is, we can write like this, and this can be written down cos t is equal to 1 by x. Therefore t is equal to cos inverse 1 by x. In the similar fashion we can go with the third result also, and that is tan cot inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of 1 by x. Here x should be greater than 0, and we can prove in the same fashion. Now we will go with the third result, property number third, and that is the first is sine inverse of minus x will be minus of sine inverse x, and x belongs to, here x belongs to minus 1 to 1, and there, and the same way the second is tan inverse of minus x is equal to minus of tan inverse x, x belongs to R, and the third is, and this third is sec inverse of minus x is equal to minus of is equal to pi minus sec inverse of x, and mod x should be greater than equal to 1. But how we can prove? Now proof for the result, this is sine inverse of minus x is equal to minus sine inverse of x. How we can go for? Let sine inverse of minus x is equal to t. Therefore, this implies minus x is equal to sine t. This implies x is equal to sine of minus of sine t. This implies x is equal to sine of minus t, since it is odd function, sine is odd function. This implies minus t is equal to sine inverse x. Therefore, t is equal to minus of sine inverse x. Therefore, sine inverse of minus x is equal to minus sine inverse x. And this is the way we can go for. So this is very important result for negative. Same way we can go with the cos inverse of minus x will be the pi minus of cos inverse x. And that also has some relevant results. So whenever we will take the negative of the inverse function, there is some sorts of results. We should follow that. Same manner, when we will go with the cot of inverse of minus x, this will be also pi minus cot inverse of x. And same manner, when we will go with the cos inverse of minus x, this is the minus of cosec inverse of x. And here, for the cos inverse, x belongs to minus pi to 1, and the cot inverse x belongs to r. And for this one, mod x belongs greater than equal to 1. So this is the way we can go over the negative one. So these are the three results we have gone through. And now this is the time to just take these results in your notebook and all. And apart from that, I am also sending few of the questions related to the matrix and determinant. You have to go through that, and just try to carry on the process with the inverse trigonometrical function also. Because sending capacity of the videos is not too much, so I am stopping here myself, saying all of you just carry on, go through the books, start working. Definitely it will work for you. It's a crucial time. Work it and go for. Thank you.